So, very good evening, everyone. Welcome to our TRE presentation, which is on the topic highway maintenance, that is pavement distress and causes, as well as classification of maintenance, which is routine maintenance, periodic maintenance, as well as importance of highway drainage. These are the contents which we are going to see in our presentation. Now, coming to the introduction part, uh, we can see uh, highway maintenance involves all activities undertaken to preserve and restore roads to ensure safe, efficient, and comfortable travel, which is a definition of highway maintenance. Coming to objectives or why highway maintenance is essential for our life. First is ensure traffic safety and driving comfort. Second is prolong pavement life and prevent deterioration. In our first objective, that is ensuring traffic safety and driving comfort, like if there is a road which is not maintained properly, there can be high chances of traffic generation in that particular area, which can cause the traffic high volume of traffic in that particular area, and which can be an hectic for the people traveling through that area. So maintaining that particular pavement can be very useful as for the people as well as the government to reduce the amount of time required for a person to travel from that road, as well as it can lead to early maintenance can lead to less economic problems compared to afterwards. Then second is prolong payment life and prevent deterioration. Third is minimize vehicle operating cost. In that we can see various YouTube videos or reels of Instagram where we can see videos like a person is traveling and he slips off due to pavement, due to a poor construction of pavement, as well as where we can see a pothole is there which is not maintained properly. The upper part of pothole is not there, and a person traveling falls into pothole from the bike. These are various problems which we can see in our city as well as the state from where we can see. Fourth is avoid costly reconstruction through timely repairs, as we see in our first objectives as well as fourth objective. Coming to the types of maintenance, first is routine maintenance, which is day-to-day minor repairs. Second is periodic maintenance, which is an scheduled interventions like resurfacing. Third one is preventive measures, like measures to prevent future deterioration. Fourth is emergency maintenance, immediate response to accidents or natural damage. These types of maintenance we are going to see in detail in our further slides. This is a short outcomes or overview of types of maintenance. Coming to importance of highway maintenance, first is reduces long-term maintenance cost, as we discussed in our first objective. Second is improves road user satisfaction, like if I travel from a good or stable road, I feel a comfort level while traveling from a road, as well as a driver who is driving his vehicle also feels comfort in traveling from that particular pavement. Third is enhances the performance and sustainability of transportation networks. Like we can see there are various types of roads, like national highways are there, state highways are there, village roads are there. Each have their own transportation networks. So while maintaining this, we need to take care of each and every aspects as per the type of roads in our region as well as state or country at any part. Then coming to introduction to pavement distresses. Pavement distresses are visible effects, defects or damages observed on road surfaces. They indicate structural weakness, functional failure or aging of pavement layers. Common causes which include pavement distress are first heavy traffic loads. Heavy traffic loads means if we are making an or designing an pavement of a limited type of load, but generally what people do, like commercial vehicles, they overload their vehicle, and due to which heavy loading, our surface or the pavement gets hampered or damaged due to the overloading. The second is environmental effects, which are rain, temperature, freeze thaw. Generally freeze thaw can be seen in regions like is less temperature regions like Shimla, Manali or Kashmir. Then rain regions, in rain we can see in Mumbai, Konkan, as well as in the southern side like Chennai, Tamil Nadu, etc. The third is material fatigue and poor quality of construction. Like material quality, like using low grade of concrete, low grade of bitumen, low grade of steel for concrete pavements. Then poor construction quality, like various contractors are there for gaining their profits. They use low grade materials, and due to which early damages happen in roads or the pavements, and due to which we need to do the maintenance of road very early. Like generally we do maintenance in 3 to 5 years, but due to such poor quality of construction, we are forced to do the maintenance within 2 years or 1.5 years. Fourth one is inadequate drainage. The types of distresses include cracks, deformation, then surface defects, disintegration. These are the four types of pavement distresses. Also, there are various many types of distresses which we can see in the image, that is blow-ups, corner break, durability cracking, faulting, joint seal damage, longitudinal cracking, map cracking, patch, then punch out, separation, shoulder drop out, spalling of joints, and transverse cracking. Coming to the classification of pavement distresses, first is cracking distresses. This involved the development of visible cracks in pavement surface. First is alligator cracking, interconnected cracks due to repeated traffic loads. Longitudinal cracking, cracks perpendicular to center line caused by temperature changes. The third is transverse cracking, cracks perpendicular to center line caused by temperature changes. In earlier we see due to construction joint, now we are seeing up to temperature changes. The fourth one is block cracking, that is large rectangular cracks due to aging and shrinkage of the bitumen. Second classification of pavement distresses is surface defects. This affect the surface texture and skid resistance, raveling, loss of surface aggregate caused by weathering or poor compaction, bleeding, which can be defined as bitumen seeping to the surface, creating a slick and shiny layer, polishing like smoothing of aggregates, leading to loss of skid resistance. Third is deformation distress. This involves changes in pavement shape due to structural weakness. If we travel from a straight road, we see a type of U shape created on a road. This is due to the heavy load vehicles in our region. Uh, we can see that rutting, that is a wheel part depression from traffic loads, showing wave-like movement typically at braking zones or curves, settlement having, that is vertical displacement due to subgrade failure or moisture. The fourth is disintegration distresses. This involves the breaking apart of pavement materials, potholes, bowl-shaped holes caused by water infiltration, and repeated loading. The edge breaks, like loss of pavement along the edges, often due to lack of lateral support, delamination, separation of layers within the pavement. Now we can see alligator cracking at the left top of the image. On mid top we can see the raveling. On the mid bottom we can see the rutting, as well as on the right top we can see the edge cracking. Coming to the causes of pavement distresses, first is traffic related causes, that is heavy axle loads and frequent vehicle movement. Second is overloading beyond design capacity. Third is braking and acceleration zone causing localized stress. Fourth is channelized traffic flow causing rutting in wheel paths. Second is environmental causes like rainwater infiltration weakening the subgrade, temperature variations causing shrinkage and thermal cracks. Third one is Fristo cycles leading to frost having an surface cracking. Sunlight UV exposure aging to just a second. We are dealing in the meeting. Hello. Hello, am I audible? Hello, hello, hello. Yes, coming to the point, environmental causes. We seen. Uh, Sorry, due to poor connection quality, I faced this issue. Coming to the third point, that is material related causes. Use of inferior quality materials, improper bitumen content leading to raveling or bleeding. For third is binder aging, reducing flexibility of bituminous layer, inadequate gradation or mixing of aggregates. Fourth is construction deficiencies, that is poor compaction of layers during construction, improper layer thickness or mixed design, inadequate curing or setting time, defective joints or cold joints in pavement layers. Coming to the fifth, that is drainage issues, clogged or absent drainage system, then subsurface water retention, lack of slope or camber, then design related errors, under designed pavement thickness, then wrong choice of pavement type for expected traffic and soil conditions, ignoring soil strength or traffic growth projections.